Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be working on the charger. Sam, I want you to check this out for me. So this is why we're replacing this dash. Everything, this is warped from the previous owner. Sam broke the lever because he was putting his weight on it. No big deal. This is destroyed, as you can see. So I got a brand new one from well, not a brand new to me, SRT8 Magnum one with this working and leather with black leather with red stitching on the armrest. Alright, so first thing we're going to do is probably we'll open this down here, it's the ashtray, and we'll take this off like you're going to redo your radio. So pull this out, and there's some clips back here. I'll show you after I take it out. There's one, two. This one's a pain in the butt for whatever reason. There we go. There's 3 clips, one in the top, and then for the SRT8, there's dual climate control, so you have 2 plugs right there. By the way, I didn't mention it, but this is an 06 SRT8 charger. So now that that's out, we have access to these clips. We'll pull this out and actually lift up. You can pull this tray out underneath the ashtray. Alright, so instead of removing these plugs, I made it easier on myself. I just put it away. So now you can see we have 1, 2, 3, 4 screws, and I'm going to take those out really quick. Alright guys, so now as you can see, this entire piece will move. So what I'm going to do is, take this out. Nothing back there. You can remove this. Alright guys, so I'm actually going to open up the center console, remove the insert. There's actually a bunch of screws in here. They look like 8 millimeters, so I'm going to take those out really quick. There is 3 of them. Alright guys, so now that those 3 screws are removed, the 8 millimeters, this whole thing is ready to pop out. So what we're going to do is grab from the back. Alright guys, so I actually just put it in neutral, make it easier to take out. So you're going to have a plug because you have your 12 volts supply. So I actually didn't know about this plug, but all you have to do is push on it, right here. It looked really weird and I couldn't get it, but all you do is push this down, pulls out at the 12 volts power supply. Guys, so basically to get the new one in, we just reverse the order, and it's just as simple as that. You reverse the order to put it back in. So now here we are, and we're going to put in the 3 screws into the bottom of the center console. So now this is in there, it's solid, so I'm going to put this back in the center console. If I can do it right. There we go. There we go. Now that's in. We are done right here. So now we're going to go on here, shifter base. All it does is push in. It might snap in harder for yours, but it's the same concept. There is a certain way this goes in. It's oriented the same way. Pops in. Now we're going to go back in and put in some screws. So we got 2 here, 2 here, and then we're done with the entire install. So I'll do that and then get back at you guys when I'm finished. Alright guys, so now put in that cover. Come down here. We didn't unplug these clips, or these plugs. So it should be pretty easy to reinstall this. Just got to orient it right, otherwise, because it just doesn't want to fit sometimes. So. Okay, push it into these clips down here. At the bottom. Now it's installed. My car has the XL on. Popped back in. Actually, it might be the other way. Nope, definitely not. All right, so it's just like that. We're going to throw this thing back on, and then the install is 100%. One clip at a time. And all these clips are actually different. So you really can't mess it up. Even a Ford owner can do it. And then all it does is snap in, just like that. Your install's done. You got a brand new center console. Thanks for watching, guys. Like, subscribe. I'm going to have more Dodge content in the future. Definitely more Dodge content. I have the tuner that I have installed. I'm going to make a video on that if it's not out already. And yeah, guys, I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.